Clear the arch first. Work from top to bottom.
Break it down smaller. We need clear passage.
Get every inch of that wall, no shortcuts. Keep the pressure steady on the ceiling arch.
Weld that hinge solid before we lift it back.
Match the original stone angle exactly. Keep it authentic.
Level check every third stone. Keep the grade consistent.
Brace that section before we proceed deeper.
Space them evenly. Measure twice before welding.
Pull the cable gently. Don't snag it on the stone edge.
Overlap every stroke, no gaps in the seal.
Angle the channel toward the main drain point.
Fill every crack completely. Structural integrity first. Even coat. Preserve the aged iron look. Anchor every bracket into solid stone, not mortar joints.
Work the stain into the grain evenly, no streaks.
Test each section before we seal the housings.
Stagger the joints. Keep the pattern natural. Keep the ducting flush against the arch. No visible gaps.
Sand it smooth, but keep the natural wood character.
Rotate every bottle label forward. Maintain the alignment. Check the dimmer circuits. We want soft ambiance. Even coverage. Don't oversaturate any single area.
Angle the chairs slightly toward the table center.
Center it perfectly on the arch keystone above.
Connect the water line carefully. Check for leaks. Space the stemware evenly. Leave room for service.
Final sweep. Make sure every surface is clean.
Clear all equipment. We're done inside. Nestle the stones into the soil. Make it look natural.
Keep the lights low and indirect. Nothing harsh. Check every detail. This has to be perfect.
From Smuggler's Passage to this, remarkable.
Pull back slowly. Let the whole scene breathe. Fire now. Show how hidden it still is. Circle around. Capture every restored detail.
Inside now. Let the warmth embrace the lens.
That's the shot. Hold it there.
Work the mortar deep into every joint. No surface-only fills.
Steady on the ropes, guide it gently past the arch stones.
Light them all, let the fire bring the stone alive.
Keep the arrangements low. Don't block sight lines across the table.
Adjust the flow slower, just a whisper of water.
Center it perfectly on the main axis. Keep the pattern aligned.
Work the oil in circles. Let the wood absorb it fully.
Keep the volume low. Music should be felt, not heard.
Align each journal with the table edge. Consistent spacing.
Check the readings at rack level. Bottles need consistent conditions.
Gentle on the labels, dust around them, not across.
Set the stanchions deep into the stone. They need to be solid.
Trim every wick to a 1/4 inch. Clean burn all night.
Test the swing full open to full closed. Must move silently.
Nothing left behind, and this space belongs to itself now.
Close it gently, let it rest now.
Pull back into the twilight, let the tunnel glow against the dark.
Orbit slowly through the blue hour. Capture the warmth within the cold. Hold here.
Lift the covers carefully. Don't drag them across the stone.
Treat it with care. We seek durability, not shine. Align every plate to the same height. Consistency is key.
Arrange the books casually. This isn't a bookstore display.
That's the sound we want. Barely there, but present.
Count each stem. We need full sets for 12 guests.
Center each coaster on the place setting. Check from above.
Wind it fully. Let the mechanism settle into rhythm.
Arrange it naturally, like it's been there for hours.
Oh. Bring the sconces down slightly, let the candles dominate.
Simple fold, nothing fussy. Let the linen speak for itself. Anchor it deep. Coats will add weight throughout the evening.
Pour slow against the light. Don't disturb the sediment. Take a moment. This is what we built together.
Last one out. Leave the gate open for the reveal.
Descend through the darkness toward the hidden light. Approach the gate. Let the light pull us in. Circle one final time. Capture the contrast of wild and refined. Is it from abandonment to reverence?
Some treasures stay hidden. This one now shines.